Hi there. Today we're taking a look at 10 replica and kit cars for sale. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video in order to support the channel. Let's get started. Number 1. 1965 Ford Cobra Replica Factory 5, $79,000, Fresno, California. According to the seller, this Factory 5 build runs a fuel-injected 346 V8. It is set up to be very fun, very fast, and drives beautifully, with a clean and simple presentation that suits a proper Cobra replica. No trades mentioned. Number 2. 1964 Ford SHELBY 289 Mark II replica, $135,000, Portland, Oregon. Seller's description says, this is a thoughtfully executed Mark II 289 tribute, not a common 427-bodied replica, built on a unique motorcar's chassis with a pro-built Ford 351W small block, Holley carb, MSD ignition, Tremec manual transmission, Willwood brakes, Jaguar IRS, Flaming River steering, Trigo Halley brands, and Stewart Warner gauges, finished in silver with maroon accents for a modified street look, and positioned as a rare Mark II style car that could also be converted to FIA livery later if the next owner wants. Number 3. 1962 Austin-Healey Mark III BJ8 replica, $19,000, Fallbrook, California. According to the seller, this is a solid replica in Burgundy Royale with a Ford 2.3 four-cylinder, fresh tune with a new water pump, new alternator and belt, new battery, Mustang 2 front end, roll-up glass windows, Sony stereo with 4 speakers, wood wheel and dash, new carpet and trunk carpet, nice vinyl top, owner's manual and build books included, a good value play at a fraction of an original's cost. Number 4. 1957 Ford Thunderbird replica kit car, $12,000, Dundalk, Maryland. Seller's notes say it sits on a 1988 chassis with a 1978 Ford 302 V8, C4 automatic transmission, 8 1/4 inch rear, power steering, power brakes, heat and aftermarket AC, all white interior in good shape, removable hardtop included, no soft top, it runs and could use some TLC, clean title. Number 5, 2005 Factory 5 Racing Cobra Replica MK3, $49,950, Loveland, Ohio. According to the seller, this Factory 5 was built by a renowned builder and appraised professionally. It uses a modified 306 built by Precision Engines, presents with perfect paint and a like-new feel, titled as a 2005 with a classic 65 style, and is described as turnkey with no issues. Number 6, 1933 Ford Factory 5 Racing Hot Rod, $40,000, Chaska, Minnesota. Seller's description says this 2023 to 2024 build is a Factory 5 33 street rod replica powered by a 5.3 GMLS with a 4L65E automatic and drive-by-wire, Mustang 8.8 track lock with 3.0 gears, about 2,200 pounds for quick acceleration, adjustable suspension with Coney coilovers, all-wheel disc brakes, American Racing Thrust 2 wheels with Continental Performance tires, electric power steering, low-car shifter, chrome I Did It column, dual stainless exhaust with Hooker ceramic-coated cast headers, Ron Francis wiring, LED lighting, and built-in phone charger. Clean Minnesota Street rod title and registration, Factory 5, Car of the Month, in April 2024, and it comes with the assembly manual, car cover, extra paint, and extensive build photos. Number 7, 1957 Volkswagen Porsche, 356, a Speedster replica, $24,900, Lockhart, Texas. According to the seller, this driver-grade Speedster replica rides on a 1966 Beetle chassis with a VW Type 1600 engine. Framework for a convertible top is present, but no top is installed. Recent service in January 2024 includes clutch components, transaxle boots, cable, shocks, and headlights. Added MPI glass packs and a spin-on oil filter adapter. Minor leaks typical for this setup. Electrics work as they should. Tack lead located but not connected. Disc brakes all around and dual carbs, aftermarket electric fuel pump. New roller throttle pedal. Includes a box of new parts and a well-worn patina that turns heads. Number 8, 2017 Ford Model 40 Roadster by Factory 5 Racing, $64,000, New York. Seller's description says this Factory 5 33. Hotrod wears a two-tone silver and blue finish with classic hot rod lines. Comes with a convertible top and side windows for foul weather. Features a vintage-inspired cockpit with black leather, vintage-style gauges, and air conditioning for comfort. Power comes from a modern 5.0 Coyote V8 with a 5-speed manual, power steering, and 4-wheel disc brakes. Round out a very usable Restomod. Number 9, 2002, Carter Prototype LeMans Style Race Car, $220,000, Texas. According to the seller, this one-off build started as a 2002 Corvette Z06 and was re-engineered with hand-laid fiberglass bodywork, a Kevlar firewall, a functional rear wing, a minimal windscreen, and forged weld racing wheels on Nitto tires. The LS6 V8 sits 8 inches farther back with long tube headers, aftermarket cats, cold air intake, and ECU tuning. Power routes through a 6-speed manual with a shortened torque tube. Suspension uses LG Motorsport springs and coilover dampers. A cockpit-controlled nose lift system with 4-inch airbags helps with clearance, and the result is a light, purposeful, prototype-inspired machine. Number 10, AC Shelby Cobra by Elegant Motors, $36,995, Sandpoint, Idaho. Seller's notes say this Elegant Motors build from 1986 sits on a 1973 Corvette chassis with a 375 horsepower, LS small block, turbo 3-speed automatic, refreshed suspension and brake system. Complete body and trim with documentation, titled as a 1965 Cobra replica in the owner's name. Not a trailer queen, but a driver that brings smiles in town. And if you prefer Ford power, the seller reminds that Chevrolet was once on Carroll Shelby's list too. That would be it for this episode. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more. See ya.